What's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning my channel. I'm at Cape Cod, and this is the second day of my 2 days fishing trip. Today we are targeting cod. I will be updating you where I get the fishing spot. Stay tuned. I don't know. That guy. Haddock.
My eyes are watering.
I got something. What is this? Pollock.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Nice fish. Okay.
Okay. Okay, what? Bait. Come on. Need help?
He's gonna reel all the way down and swing right up and over.
Oh, that's too much. I cannot swing off.
Lights up, folks. Lights up. Want to reset here. We're drifting a little different than I anticipated. Lights up. I'm going to ask you to reel two today. Please back in the boat. The quicker we get.
I don't want it to melt.
All right. Thank you. Nice. Sea rob.
Lights up.
Okay. Can I hold that fish?
Hold this thing.
Okay. Two on the line. Yeah. Okay.
Be careful that tail.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. All right. Huh? Oh, he got two. Something on there. Oh, snag. That's ribbon. Sea ribbon, right?
Yeah, see right there.
Yeah. Have that thing. Okay. Good. Let's see the sea ribbon. During this cod fishing trip in Cape Cod, I also caught a couple of these sea robins. These fish are normally considered trash fish, but previously I did a video using sea robin to make the fish sandwich. It ended up pretty delicious. Today I want to share with you a simple recipe. It's called pan-seared sea robin. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started preparing the fish. There are many sharp spikes on this fish, so be careful when handling them. To clean the fish, simply remove the head along with the gut. Then cut off the fins. Then simply cut the fish into little pieces. Add a little cooking wine to ginger scallion and squeeze the juice out of it. Add the ginger scallion along with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper. Marinate the fish for 10 minutes. Prepare some garlic, scallion, ginger, and red pepper. Dry the fish with paper towel. Fry the fish in the pan. Fry the other side when it's turned yellow brown. Finally, add the garlic, ginger, scallion, and red pepper to the pan. This is the pan-seared sea robin I'm talking about. It's a very simple recipe, but can turn any fish into a delicious meal. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.